Hi friends, today we are repairing a chandelier. We asked for help in restoring the chandelier. The client wanted to replace the entire bulbs himself. But I looked and realized that I could restore them, because I have exactly the same LEDs as in the chandelier. The LEDs here are 5730. I will change them all, because they have already turned black and are about to fail. Done, friends. I replaced all the LEDs with new ones. The lamp is connected in series. I insulated the contacts and connected it to the 220-volt network through an isolating transformer and a light bulb. Let's try to turn it on. As you can see, it shines very brightly. Everything works as it should. Look how many LEDs I replaced. They just need to be thrown away. Another device repaired. Subscribe and see you in the next videos.